Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso says the club should take immense pride in their bold and expressive style of play, despite falling short of progression at the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup. Masandawana were eliminated from Group F on Wednesday night after a goalless draw against Brazil's Fluminense. The Premier Soccer League champions needed all 3 points to secure a spot in the round of 16, but ultimately fell short, finishing third behind Borussia Dortmund and Fluminense. South Korea's Ulsan HG completed the group in fourth. Despite the early exit, Sundowns leave the tournament with their heads held high, having impressed many with their brave possession-based football and attacking intent. Cardoso, speaking after the match, reflected on the club's journey over the past 8 months and the legacy they are building. He said, "I can't speak for the whole season, but the 8 months I've been in the club have been amazing. We won the league like no one else, setting records. Only the goals conceded record remained untouched. That was one of our objectives." While the CAF Champions League trophy narrowly eluded them, with Sundowns reaching their first final in a decade, Cardoso believes the experiences gained this season will shape the club's future, and that those final matches showed us we weren't quite at the level we needed to be, but coming into the Club World Cup, we were motivated to prove ourselves through our football and our identity. Sundowns' performance at the tournament marked significant improvement from their last World Cup outing, where they suffered back-to-back defeats. This time, they secured 4 points courtesy of a win, a draw and a loss. Cardoso said football is cruel sometimes. We played beautiful football, but we leave with nothing. Still, we can sleep in peace tonight. We leave proud of our players, our staff and everyone involved. Recognition has been achieved. The Portuguese tactician believes the full impact of their efforts will only be understood in time, and said in 10 years we'll look back and truly understand what we did here. Maybe then we'll say we were weaker back then. Now we are stronger. That's the goal. We must grow. The standards will rise, and I will always push myself to improve as long as I'm here. With the curtain now closed on their Club World Cup campaign, Sundowns will be afforded a brief rest before returning to prepare for the 2025-2026 season. Cardoso is expected to be back in the transfer window as he looks to strengthen his squad for an even more ambitious campaign. If Sundowns' bold showing in the United States is anything to go by, South Africa's most dominant club isn't just playing to win, they are playing to inspire. There was also mixed reactions to the fans as Mamelodi Sundowns exit Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns' exit from the FIFA Club World Cup has sparked a wave of mixed reactions among supporters, with head coach Miguel Cardoso finding himself at the center of both praise and criticism. Some fans expressed deep frustration with Cardoso's tactics and team selection. Many took to social media to vent their disappointment. One fan said, "Cardoso found Sundowns already playing this way. The only thing he did was kill our attack. This guy is useless. Bring back Mangoba now." Another one said, "Cardoso failed us tonight. It seems like the South American players are a priority at Sundowns." Another one stated they lost a CAF final in June at that June stadium, went to FIFA CWC in June and came back home in June. "June, you have no idea what you've done for us," with laughing emojis. Another one said, "Some Roland fans within Sundowns fan base are angry that it's Cardoso who took shoe shine and piano to the world, fell in love with it. He played the Sundowns way, and wow, let's take a bow. We are one of the few clubs in the world with a distinct football identity." Another one stated, "Cardoso was a plumber because he didn't play Zwane. Today he's a plumber, even after playing Zwane. This is a difficult job, man." Another one said, "Our biggest downfall is Cardoso. One day you'll agree with me." Someone also blamed Cardoso for not playing Shalule and said Cardoso has an allergic reaction towards Shalulile. "Take out Matthews, bring in the Springbok, we then cook. He gels well with Ribeiro and Zwane." Another one stated, "Absolutely no reason why Cardoso shouldn't sleep in Kgoshi Maputo when they land." Another disgruntled fan said Cardoso and other sales should leave the club with immediate effect. Another one shared the same sentiment and said some South Americans must remain in America, Aingege, Fleming, and Cardoso must go. Another one stated, Cardoso plumbing his way out of the tournament. Another angry fan said, Cardoso must go, bring back Rolani. Some Sundowns players don't deserve to be there. We won't win the CAF with this squad and this coach. Another one stated, if Pizzo, Mangoba, or Rolani were in charge of this Sundowns team that was in the Club World Cup, they would have easily advanced to the last 16. Why? Because they know the players and the Sundowns DNA. Unfortunately, Cardoso doesn't, and it cost us a spot in the knockout stages. Another one stated, favoritism is killing Coach Cardoso. Oya guy says other players deserve a chance. Someone also said, Cardoso, he doesn't love this team. There's no way you can play someone who has been missing clear chances for fun in Putletlaku, who has been rescued you in very, very important games. But others defended coach and applauded the team's overall performance and the progress made under Cardoso's leadership. One said, they never believed in you, but you went all the way and made us proud. Congratulations to Miguel Cardoso, his staff, and the entire Sundown squad. Another one stated, Cardoso is a revelation to world football. His profile might have become stronger. Don't be emotional. The world see Cardoso as the pioneer that took an African team to CWC and played with so much style and control. To the world, it is the Portuguese influence. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.